How to turn off screen reader on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. As you get there, scroll through the menu and select the Accessibility option. Over here, select VoiceOver from the top. As you can see, it's already turned off. VoiceOver is an accessibility feature that acts as a screen reader, providing audible descriptions of what is on the screen. Turn it on to see how it works. If you want to keep it tuned off, tap to disable again. Now, your normal visual interaction with the phone continues, and the unique gestures required to navigate with VoiceOver are disabled. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off the screen reader on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.